Hello, let's see working with the keyboard. Here, let's see the keys in the keyboard. Uh, their types and how they are working. So the keys in the keyboard can be divided into several categories. The first one is the function keys, which are used in the specific operations. Example, these F1 to F12, while the numerical keys use to type numbers, operators, and the others. The third one is character keys. These are which are used to type letters, numbers, symbols, etc. The fourth one is the special keys. These are used for special purposes, such as the first one is space bar, which is used to provide a space between words when you are typing. The other one is enter key, which is used to move cursor to a second line, or used to move maybe when entering a link to another website, example in the web browsers. While the capsule key also used to switch between uppercase and lowercase, and the shift key used to shift between uppercase and lowercase when a caps key is off, and also is used to access a secondary character when a key has two characters. Example, maybe as you can see in the keyboard, there are secondary characters. So if you want to access those secondary characters, you have to press the shift key. While the backspace key is used to delete or erase characters at the left side of the cursor position. Moving on, let's see the cursor control keys. These are used to control movements of cursor, such as these arrow keys. They used to move the cursor or a pointer, one character to the direction of an arrow. Uh, Home key is used to move the cursor directly to the beginning of the line. End key is used to move the cursor directly to the end of the line, and the delete key is used to erase characters at the cursor position. Let's see managing files in the folders using Windows Explorer. The first managing way we're going to see is the copying files or items in another location. Simply copying, you can attain by on the Windows Explorer by clicking on copy, then open the location which you wish to paste a copy, then at the blank of that space, then you click paste command, then the item will be pasted to the other location or copied to the other location. The second managing way is removing items in the another location. Moving can be attained by click on cut command in the Windows Explorer, then right click on the blank area, then click on paste, so the item will be moved to that other location. Removing items, you can simply remove items by click on the delete command in the Windows Explorer, then click on this button, then it will be removed. While you can undelete these items by simply going to the recycle bin, then you click on the restore button, restore on the Windows Explorer, then it will be restored to the original location. Renaming items, you can simply name by clicking on the rename command of the Windows Explorer, then you type your name there, then you click enter, the name will be changed or renamed for a certain or specified folder. Multiple selection technique. Simply let's start with the continuous selection. You can simply select continuously by pressing the hold the shift key, then you select the last item, then release the shift key. You have already selected it all continuously, all those files or folders. Or you can simply select non-continuous by pressing holding down the control key, then click on each item which you wish to select. Searching files, you can simply go to start pattern, then click on the search command, then you can type on the file or folder the name of the folder or file, then you click on search button, then the file or folder which you are searching for will be located. That's all for this video.